Guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here. Welcome to Python for Beginners. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the demonstration of the exam code of Python, and we have got hands on the Python, and we understood about the compiler and how it executes the program, and we're getting little bit familiar with the Python coding, and we will get familiar in the future videos. So let's get started and see the today's topics. Today's topic is demonstration of the code too. In the previous video also we have made the demonstration of the code, but in today's video we'll make some couple of code execution and compilation, so that from the next video we'll go into the theoretical part again. So without any delay, let's get started. So here we go with the practical demonstration part, and we are on the onlinegdb.com as I already tell you. And now we can do in this terminal, and you can find this terminal in your system. Just type terminal over here, you just get yeah, this is the command prompt. Here also you can execute your Python. And what I want to tell you is, for the Python you need to use .py for Python. See, as you can already see over here, main.python. You can use some name for your file, .python, for saving your file. So now let's get started with the online compilation and execution demonstration. So today I'm going to tell you some couple of programs with operators. As we all already know that plus, minus and multiplication symbols, but we'll just do some of the code so that we get some experience and confidence about the Python. So this code, after the lecture, please do it yourself, try it yourself, and just explore something new. Like, use the current information and your knowledge and just try to do some other programs which are useful for you and for the others, and you can do it if you want, if you want to do it, and if you have enough creativity, and you can do it obviously because you're getting confidence after doing each and every program. So practice well. Practice makes you much perfect and much confident. So let's get started with the online compilation now. Today I'm just gonna tell you some code related to operators. So yeah. Yes, so here I'm using some variables called a, a equals to 1 I want to give, and b is equals to 2 I want to give, and I don't know what is c, I don't know what anything is. I'm just declaring a and b. So now I want to print a plus b. I can do this directly actually. So if you want, you can declare one more variable called c, and you can assign the c with a plus b, and you can do that too. Please try it yourself, and if you have any doubts, please do comment in the commenting section. So yeah, you can, no need to and enclose with the single inverted commas. Just run the program. Your answer is c. That's it. 3. So if you want to do it for a subtraction operator, a minus b, that might not be fair, but it is okay, but let's go with the basic. Let's not fear the compiler. Mm, You got 1 as your answer, b minus a. Is it right? So now let's go with the multiplication operator, a into b. Now let's take some good numbers over here. 12 and 7. Okay, 7. So let's run this program and see what happens. 84. Smart, right? And quick. So you can use these programs. We just made these programs for better usage and saving your time, right? So let's now make, yeah, now let's use this division. As I have already tell you, this just measures your coefficient. So you'll see over here with this 12 by 7. What people think is 12 by 7 will be approx 1 point something something something, right? We just want to calculate that something by doing division, coefficient, divisor, dividend, remainder, etc. But here it just gives you the coefficient, only coefficient. So let's start this, run. So you got it. Coefficient is 1 over here, and you got the fraction part and decimal part is 714, 28, and so on. You got the exact precise answer. So let's go into uh, this reminder one. 12 modulo, as I have already told you, modulo 7 gives you only reminder only. So let's do with the reminder, and you're getting 5. So when you divide 12 by 7, you will be getting 5 as your reminder, because 7 ones are 7, 12 minus 7, you get 5 over here. So that is it. This is all about the operators, and I want to give you some code that I want you to get executed by yourself, and please answer it in the comment section. So I'm just typing the code over here. Please take the values and try it yourself with your own compiler online or text editor one, and comment the answer below. Yes. So as you all know that simple interest, what is simple interest? You all get strike it PTR by 100. So simple thing, I just want to tell you, P is equals to 30,000 and T is equals to 2 years. So 2, R is equals to 5. I want simple interest. So we just print simple interest is P into T into R, sorry, by 100. If you do this is a mistake. You better use parentheses, as I have already tell you in the precedence thing. Parentheses is given first priority, and we want to tell the compiler that we want the whole multiplication of PTR by 100, right? So we better use parentheses over here for the better understanding of the compiler. It might think that R by 100 into P into T. So for not getting such type of problems and errors in the program, let's use the parentheses so that we get a good answer and no error. So please do this uh, program in your own compiler and comment the answer below in the comment box. I hope you like this video and found this useful. Thank you for watching.